So Troy, we've got some cracking going on within this concrete slab, right?
Typically there's cracks in concrete, that's for sure.
Right. But also too, there's control joints here, and we both know how important those control joints are for a proper concrete placement.
Yes, yep.
So for these cracks, do we have a product that can address that?
We have PERMAGUARD Epoxy Patch material. We'll use that in the cracks, and we'll even use it in divots and blowouts and holes and stuff to basically get a nice flat surface before you're doing your coating. I know some people will say, hey, I want to use the epoxy fill in the control joints. We don't recommend that. The control joints are there for a reason. They allow the concrete to move independent of each piece. So we will say, please don't put them in there. You'll have problems down the road if you actually use the epoxy fill in the control joints.
So leave the control joints alone.
Exactly.
Only take care of the cracks.
That's right.
Very good. For more information, visit the PERMAGUARD website.